Hello, what up, English 10 students? I'm going to hear, this is Mr. Puckett, your teacher, here to give you a quick overview of the newspaper article and the stuff you should be doing to finish it, just to make sure if you are like, okay, I've done some of this, but I want to make sure it's right, or if you haven't started it at all and are like, I have to get this done, but I have no clue, I'm here to help. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so you are picking a topic. The first job is pick a topic. Look at all these topics here. You pick one that you want to write about a little bit. You are going to tell us about the art. That's all you have to do is tell us about it, right? Like do a little bit of research. So the next thing you do once you pick one of these is find two sources on the internet. Let's pretend that I'm writing about Big Ten football because it's an article that's here and easily available and none of you are doing it, so I don't do your work for you. I'm going to click on this. Let's say I find this article. Now, I need to find two articles, so let's assume that I'm finding another one too, but I'm going to use this one for an example. I copy this right here. All right, and I save that up for later. Okay, here's my source, right? Okay, we can ignore mute that. Okay. Going back to our actual thing right here. We can close that. Now, we need to actually find the thing to make our article. So we can use this template to make the assignment. If you click right here, you make a copy of this. There I am again. You click make a copy. And it loads for a minute. And here we go. Look at that. Oh, we just have to fill this stuff in, right? Headline, one sentence telling what it is. The byline, which is you, that's your name. It's got a place for you to put two pictures in, which you need to find two pictures to sort it out. You should not use these blank pictures. That's not going to get you full credit. You need to use the ones that are specific to yours. And down here, you're going to actually type your article. Now, as you're typing your article, there's one thing you need to use, which is called an in-text citation. And that means that whenever you use information from your source, let's just go back to my source over here. Let's talk about the Big Ten on August 11th postponed all fall sports seasons. Let's pretend that I'm writing my article and I use that piece of information here in this sentence. The Big Ten postponed all fall sports on August 11th. Now, at the end of that sentence, I need an in-text citation. In parentheses, I'm going to put the author's last name and the paragraph number or page number if there's a page number. But there's no pages on this. So let's see. That's weird. I don't see an author. I see ESPN where an author would go, but do I put ESPN? No, I don't. I keep searching for the author. Got a tweet from Donald Trump, but he's not the author either. Okay, fine. There's no author. So what do I do? Well, okay. I take the first word of the title, big, and I put in parentheses, big, and then the paragraph number that I used it from. It's paragraph 2. So big 2 in my parentheses. There we go. There's my in-text citation. If we look back at the rubric here, right? Student uses one in-text citation to show their research. Hey, guess what? I just got an A on that part. Pictures. All you need are 2 pictures right here. Works cited page. We'll get to that in a second. When I finish writing my article, hey, if I do a good job of it, I've got it right here. And then if my sources are good, I'm going to A right there too. Now this part right here, this is the part that scares a lot of students, but I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to do this. It will literally take you like 4 clicks. Maybe a little more, but not much more. You're going to go here. We're going to go to EasyBib. We're going to add an EasyBib bibliography creator. I've already got it right here. I'm going to show you how to get it if you haven't already. You're going to click on add-ons. You're going to click Get Add-ons. Once this loads, probably it's actually in the top row here, but if it's not, you can type EasyBib and search. And here it is. You click on it. I've got a big uninstall button, but you probably have a big blue install button. If you have an uninstall button, guess what? You already have this. So you go back to add-ons. You go down to Bibliography Creator. You click Manage Bibliography. You paste the source right here and click, by the way, click website first. and then paste the source right there. You click search. And you're like, hey, that's the one. Select. It adds it to your thing. Now, you're going to go and add a second source to this because you need 2 sources. But let's say you have both of them and you're ready to go. Then notice here, this actually was here. We go back here, the sources. Source 1 goes here, source 2 goes here. You can actually select all that and delete it. Just delete it if you're using the EasyBib add-on because you don't need that kind of guidance. Get rid of it. And you click this big red button, Add Bibliography to Doc. And guess what? There it is. It added it. Good job. You did it. And that's how you get an A on that part. And that, altogether, is how you get an A on the entire assignment. If you have questions, please email me. This thing is due at the end of the day, Thursday. I extended the due date because of ASVAB. We didn't have time in class to work on it together. So I'm posting it here now for you all to see this and get some guidance. Anyways, have a great day, everyone. See you later.